Okay friends, so in this video I am going to show you a best binary option strategy that you can use to trade binary options in a profitable way for lifelong. I will turn this $1 into $68.62 in this video, and this is the exact strategy that I have been using in the past to turn my $1 into 500, 1000, 2000 or up to $5,000. So watch this video very carefully because it is going to be a highly informative video that will actually help you to make profitable trades on a daily basis. Now the strategy is not that complicated, okay, it is extremely simple. So firstly, you just put all of this currency pair in favorite at here, okay. So make sure all of the currency pair is giving a payout of over 90%, okay, that is fine. And then make this candlestick of S30, okay. Once you do this much, then make sure if there is clock, turn it to flag, okay, and then just click on here and just click on S30, okay. This is the fine setting. Now after that, just put $1 in here, okay, and then implement this parabolic SAR. So to implement this indicator, you can simply go here, okay, where it is, okay, it is here, and you don't need to make any changes in these settings, okay, it is fine. So once you do this much, then here you can see just 3 dots are forming, okay, but you should not make trade when there are 3 dots, okay. Whenever there is 1 dot, okay, and then there is second dot, at that exact moment you need to make trade by clicking on higher, okay. Similarly, if this is forming at the time you are going to make trade, then 1 dot have formed here, and when second dot formed, at that exact time you need to make trade by clicking on lower. So now what happened is this strategy, this is not the strategy that I have made up myself, okay. I have my VIP copy trader, okay, who copies my trade. And if you want to trade with my binary signals, you can join my free telegram, okay. I'll give the binary signals at that telegram channel. And if you want to copy my trades directly, then you can join my VIP copy trading telegram channel, where you can automatically copy my trade by using the social trading feature of pocket option, okay. And one of my VIP copy trader was having conversation with me, and he sent me this strategy, okay. This strategy was made by, I think, someone other, okay. And then I watched this strategy, and at that time I thought to give it a try, okay, and it worked. It worked for me, okay. So that's why I decided to make this video in order to encourage you to make trades. And see, you just need to invest $1, okay. You are only risking $1, and if you made up to $10, $20, $50, then that is a huge gain, okay. You are risking $1 to make up to that much amount, then that is fine. And even more, if you can continuously make trade right by following this strategy, then you can even make 500,000 and $5,000, okay. So watch this video very carefully. Now I'll not talk, okay, I will show you the exact by making trades, okay, by turning this $1 into $68.62. So watch this video very carefully. Now I'll stop talking and let's begin the video.